you come around, I feel so good, so good.
I was born under the sun, so why am I so afraid of it? Made peace with all I've done, but that just wasn't enough. Ooh. Changed direction once or twice, yes I am ashamed of it. I try to keep my soul intact, what else could I have done? I wanna say, hey, oh, woman and I'm cold, oh, I wanna go home alone.
Good morning, you guys. So today I'm going to be filming a day in the life, and I just finished making breakfast, kind of waking up, but after I eat breakfast I'm going to go get ready because usually that's what I do. And now that the quarantine is not as bad, we still have that kind of freedom to go places, so we're not bound home. So I thought I would do a summer day in the life and kind of give you guys a sense of a somewhat normal day in the life, you know? But today is a really pretty day outside. I think it's supposed to be like 80 degrees or like 79 or something like that, which is very nice for where I'm from. And it's supposed to be super sunny, and not only that, but it's just blue skies today. So I'm very excited. I'm hanging out with the birds this morning and the neighbor dog and my dog, so yeah. Welcome to my channel. Hi there, my name is Shelby and welcome to my channel. If you're not new, thanks for sticking around. I'm so glad to see you guys again. I'm so excited to do this video for you guys, and I know it's been kind of a little bit since I've done one of these since my quarantine one, so I'm gonna do this one this time with a little bit more action in it. Time to eat my food.
I wanna go home alone, hey, oh, cooling on my own. I wanna go home alone. I wanna go home alone.
Guys, so the first thing I do is brush my teeth, and then I do my skincare routine, which if you guys have not seen, I did upload a video that showed my skincare routine, so I'll probably put it in the corner, either corner, I don't know which one's which. Then I put on my clothes, which I have right here. Alright guys, so I'm all dressed, just finished brushing my teeth, now it's time to wash my face. And if you guys have not seen that video, you guys should totally check it out, but usually I start my morning off with the Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser. I only apply like one pump, and it's perfect amount just for my face, and yeah.
I wanna say, hey, oh, woman and I'm cold, oh, I wanna go home alone.
So basically, I don't know if you guys have known this at all, but I mentioned in my birthday haul that I wanted to learn calligraphy. So ever since my birthday haul, after that I've been learning calligraphy, and it's been really fun. So usually I try and do this about 5 times a week, so I want to get back into doing it every day of the week for like just 10 to 20 minutes, just getting myself a little bit of practice. But I'm very happy with how much I've kind of moved forward with it. I'm really excited comparing it to the first like hand lettering kind of like drill I did to now. I feel like there's some noticeable improvements, but I really want to make it good. So yeah, this one thing that I've been doing a lot of, and it's been really fun. For a few of my past drills that I've done, I think this is like my second one or something, and I have these, and then I have this one as well. So they are pretty nice. However, there are a few times where I kind of like didn't do the best, but it's all about the learning process. So I'm really excited and how far I've come. So that's pretty much how it looks. Alright guys, so I'm all done and finished with my drills for today, and I'm very impressed. There are a few things that I could work on, but like I said, it's a learning process for getting there. I might go watch some YouTube for like 30 minutes or so, because I know we're about to leave. We're gonna go on a picnic today, but I watch YouTube or play some Animal Crossing, so I'm not sure. Stay tuned. So I'm playing Animal Crossing right now, and I just won a giveaway for like 2 million bells for Animal Crossing. And deep down inside, I'm very proud of myself and excited. So I don't know how it happened, but here we are. Good things happen, I guess. So I just finished playing a little bit of Animal Crossing for a little bit, and now we're gonna be leaving on our picnic. But if you guys did not know, recently I got my permit, so I'm very excited. So I have been driving around a little bit, just getting used to driving, and I actually went on the freeway a few days ago with my dad in the car. So I've been driving with my parents, and it's been really fun, and I really liked it. It's crazy to believe that I'm driving, so I remember just yesterday I was like 12, and now I'm 15. It's insane.
I love the way she moves, yeah. When she's watering our garden with her headphones, singing off key Ariana through the window, and I can't help but hum along, yeah. And you and I could stay in on a Saturday night. We don't gotta go out just to have a good time. All you need is takeout and a bottle of wine. We don't need that much to have the time of our lives. You and me and 20 bucks. You and me and that's enough. We don't need that fancy stuff. You and me and that's enough. We got no worries, 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 worries. Oh, yeah. We got no worries, 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 worries.
Alright guys, so we just finished eating lunch, and now we're at this mill kind of hanging out, watching the really pretty water. Like honestly, it's so pretty. And so we're just hanging out and taking some pictures and just enjoying nature at its finest. It's been a super fun day, and it's been really nice getting to venture out and get out of the house, so this is very much so needed. Just getting to walk outside like this and not being inside is just so nice, and getting to see different things and have the sun. It's a pretty day outside today. Today is a very pretty day outside, and it honestly is just really nice to be out in nature again, not be cooped up in the house. So it's a pretty day, and we gotta enjoy what we have.
We don't need that fancy stuff. You and me and that's enough. We got no worries, 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 yeah. We got no worries, 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 worries. We got no worries.
Alright guys, so we just got home, and now it's about 8:30. We just finished eating dinner, and I think we're just gonna kind of hang out at home for today, for the rest of the day, and watch a movie. I'm gonna get started on working with my videos and editing and everything, and yeah. Hey guys, so now I'm gonna take my little face mask and put this on my face, of course, because I'm not Shelby if I don't have a face mask. So tonight I'm gonna end off my night with a nice little face mask on my face to kind of treat my face with some love. Guys, so I'm taking the mask off because I'm all done. Oh my gosh. Guys, so my face is all nice and clean. Just finished my face mask, and I heard I love things, all things space, and I heard there's a comet tonight, so let's see if I can see it. Unfortunately, my camera won't pick it up, so I have to end the video here, but thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed following me around for a day, and I'm really excited I got to do an adventure with you guys. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know down below, and of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you all so very much. Bye! I love you all so much, thank you. So bad, so I'm gonna do it this way.